Welcome to ASPC Excel Guides. In this video, we will use OR function with if function. In our last video, we have discussed if with add function. If you want to watch that video, click the below link in the description. The OR function is also a logical function. The syntax of OR function is equal to OR, then within bracket logical 1, logical 2 and so on. The OR function returns true when any of the arguments return true, unlike AND function which returns true if all the logical tests returns true. Let us test OR function in our Excel workbook. We need to evaluate who has passed in one subject among the 10 students. In Excel, we start writing formula with equal to sign. In I3 cell, type OR. Start typing bracket or hit tab in your keyboard. Please notice the OR function is asking logical tests. We need to put our logical tests. Select cell C3. Type greater than 50. Hit comma to provide the second logical test. Select cell D3. Type greater than equal to 50. As we have two subjects, we need two logical tests for each subject. Therefore, we will close the bracket. The output is true because Smith has obtained 57 in subject 2 but 47 in subject 1. Remember, OR function returns true if any of the arguments returns true. Place your cursor after the equal to sign like we did in the AND-if combination and type if and hit tab. Go to the end of the OR function. After the closing bracket, put a comma. Please note, we are now in if function's second argument, which is value if true. Type double quote, type yes, close the double quote, put comma to give instruction to if function if it returns false. Start double quote, type no, close the double quote, close the opening bracket, hit enter. The result shows that Smith has passed in any one of the two subjects. Please remember, OR function will return true if any of the arguments returns true. Click on the small plus sign to fill the data with this formula, or you can drag the cell to fill the blank cells with the formula. I hope you have learned how to use OR function with if function. Please like and click the subscribe button to get new free video notification in Excel. Thank you for your interest. Wish you happy learning.